Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to use Momcozy Nail File, full guide. Start by charging the device fully before first use. Use the correct grit head for baby or adult nails and set the speed to low for initial passes. Hold the file gently at a slight angle and move in one direction to avoid rough edges. Clean the head after each session and store the tool in its case to protect the bits. Prepare nails by washing and drying them thoroughly before using the Momcozy Nail File. Choose a sanding head that matches nail thickness and age, starting with the gentlest option for infants. Power on and test speed on your inner wrist to ensure comfort. Position the file at a slight angle and work slowly from edge to center. Keep steady, light strokes, and pause if you see redness or heat. Use gentle, steady motions when handling the Momcozy Nail File to prevent overfiling. Move the head from the nail edge toward the center in one direction rather than back and forth. For babies and sensitive skin, maintain the lowest speed setting and check the nail often. After shaping, switch to a soft buffer head to smooth edges and remove burrs. Wipe the heads clean and inspect nails for uniform shape afterward.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.